Hi and welcome to tvOS. My name is Steve DeStefano, longtime Apple developer and Swift instructor, and I've teamed up with the award-winning Swift programmer Paul Hudson to put this course together. Paul is the renowned Swift programmer who has built numerous apps for many high-profile people, including Fortune 500 companies and Hollywood celebrities. His best-selling books span the entire Apple ecosystem, with titles such as Hacking with iOS, Hacking with macOS, How to Build Watch Apps, Server-Side Swift, and a bunch more. Even the creator of the Swift language, Chris Lattner, has given Paul high praise for his outstanding methods of teaching and his body of work. And in this course, I've taken Paul's top-selling tvOS book and I've turned it into lecture-style videos that are easy to follow along. And it teaches you everything you need to learn how to build beautiful Apple TV apps. All you need is about 6 months of Swift coding experience and a desire to build Apple TV apps. And before you know it, you will have apps featured right on your TV and for the whole world to see. Here's a preview of some of the apps we'll build together. We start off by putting together a gorgeous screensaver app with some nice animation, because everyone has unique tastes with screensavers, so you'll be able to customize this to the kinds of images that you like. We'll also build some fun games for the TV. We'll build a movie shopper app that lets users browse through categories and select a movie, then read all about it and watch the trailer for it too. We'll put together an app that uses MapKit, which searches the world for interesting places to visit. And you'll learn tvOS techniques like how to save and store data, how to work with tvOS's focus engine, how to create top-shelf extensions, and a lot more. So this is a jam-packed course that gives you everything you need to make all kinds of beautiful Apple TV apps. All the code is written in the latest, most up-to-date version of Swift, which is Swift 4. And it's presented and explained in a step-by-step format with callouts and highlighting, which help to reinforce key concepts and guide you along the path of the code. So how about we dive right in and start learning how to make amazing tvOS apps right now? I'll see you inside the course.